Hey, in front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, just open settings and scroll down. Now you need to click on password, fingerprint and face unlock over here and tap on face recognition. After that, enter your current login method, read the instructions and just continue at the bottom. Then remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can switch on or off screen fill light over here by clicking on this switcher, and even disable face unlock completely by clicking on this one. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, you need to access exactly the same settings and tap on remove face data at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up by selecting remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!